the last video, we have seen the difference between plane figure and solid figure. Also, we have seen the difference between area and surface area. In today's video, we will learn about the solid figure cube and cuboid. So, cuboid means it is a solid bounded by 6 rectangular faces, that is called as cuboid. It has got 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. So, this matchbox, brick, book, all these are examples for cuboid. So, we can see here 6 rectangular faces. You should keep in your mind that a cuboid has got 6 rectangular faces. One at the front, then at the back, top, bottom. So, now total 4 faces. Again, one face on this side and the other face on this side. Like that, the cuboid has got 6 faces. So, we can draw the cuboid or the cube like this. Now, edges means the edges of cuboids are 1, then we have this 2, again 3, 4, 5, 6, then one here 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So, these are edges of cuboid and it has got 8 vertices, that is 1, 2, again here this corners 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. These 4 corners, these are vertices of cuboid. Now, a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are all equal, that is called as cube. Cube also has got 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. So, cube also has got 6 faces, that is square faces it has got, not rectangular faces. Cuboid has got 6 rectangular faces, whereas cube has got 6 square faces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. Why it has got square face? Because the length, breadth and height are all equal in cube. In a cuboid, if length, breadth and height are all equal, that we call as cube. So, cube also has got 6 faces, one at the front, other at the back, again at the top, bottom and side 1 and side 2, like that. This cube also has got 6 faces, 12 vertices and 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now, the examples you can say as dice that you have used in snake and ladder game, then water cube, sugar cubes, or might have seen all these things. So, these are examples of cube. Now, in today's video, we will see how to find out lateral surface area and total surface area of cube and cuboid. So, when I say surface area, for a solid figure, we have actually lateral surface area and total surface area. Lateral surface area means lateral surface area of a cuboid means area of the 4 rectangular faces excluding the top, for only the 4 rectangular faces. We should not take the top face as well as the bottom face. We should not take the area of the top face as well as the area of the bottom face. Only the area of 4 rectangular faces, that will give you area, lateral surface area. And total surface area means all the area of all the 6 faces. You should include top, bottom, front, back, side 1 and side 2. All the faces you need to calculate the area, that will give you total surface area of a cuboid. So, if you open any cardboard box which is of cuboid shape, you can see like this. So, this dimension represents length and this one is breadth. So, all this will be length, you can see, and this one will be breadth and the small one is height. Now, total surface area, first we will find out total surface area of a cuboid. Total surface area of the cuboid means area of all these 6 faces, 4, 5 and 6. So, area of the first face is, it is a rectangle. We know that area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So, here it is length into height. And area of the second face is length into breadth. Area of the third face is length into height. Area of the fourth face is length into breadth. Again, area of the fifth face is breadth into height plus area of last face, that is 6th face, that is also breadth into height. So, we can say that total surface area of a cuboid is equal to, we have 2LH plus 2LB plus 2BH, or the 2 if you take outside, then we have LH plus LB plus BH, we can write. So, in short, total surface area of the cuboid is 2LB plus BH plus LH. So instead of calculating separately all the area of the 6 face, you can use this formula. Total surface area of the cuboid means area of the all the 6 rectangular faces, and it is 2LB plus BH plus LH. Now let us find out LSA of a cuboid. LSA of a cuboid means we need to find front and the back and side 1 and side 2 area, not the top and the bottom. So here we can see this is the length, this is the height, and this is the breadth. So area at the front portion is nothing but length into height, LH. We can see front portion is this, L into H. And area of back portion also will be same, L into H. And again area of side 1, if I am taking this, then I have, this is height, this is H, and this is B. So it will be BH. Same way area of this portion is also BH. So I can say that LSA of a cuboid is nothing but 2LH plus 2BH, or I can say 2L plus B into H. So this is the formula to find out LSA of cuboid. LSA of side 1 and side 2 is BH, and LSA of the front and the back portion, that will be LH and LH. So total lateral surface area is 2 into L plus B into H. Now next we will find out lateral surface area and total surface area of a cube. Cube means a cuboid in which length, breadth and height are all equal, that is called as cube. So let us take a cube, also has got 6 faces, 12 vertices and 8 edges. So let's take a cube of length A. You can say as the length of the cube or the edge of the cube measurement is A. So lateral surface area of the cube means the area of 4 faces excluding the top and the bottom. So we have A square plus A square plus A square plus A square, which is equal to 4A square. And total surface area of a cube, total surface area of a cube means the surface area, the 4 lateral surface area plus the area at the top as well as area at the bottom. So we have 6A square. All the area of the 6 faces are A square. Side 2 is also A square, bottom is also A square, top is also A square. So total surface area of a cube is 6A square. Now let's take some examples where we are using this lateral surface area, total surface area of cube and cuboid. So the first question is like this: a plastic box 1.5 meter long, so length is 1.5 meter, 1.2 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep, that I can write as 0.65 meter, because all this they have given in meters. So only this they have given in centimeter. So we need to convert into the same measurement. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 65 centimeter is nothing but 0.65 meter. So we need to make a plastic box of 1.5 meter long, 1.2 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep. It is open at the top, so we don't want the top covering. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. The cost of the sheet for it, if a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. So that is the question. So here my question is whether we need to find out lateral surface area or total surface area. LSA of, and the shape also we have to find out whether it is cube or cuboid. Since all the 3 dimensions they have given, definitely it is going to be cuboid. So now the next question, after identifying the shape, whether we will find out LSA or TSA. So here in this question we are not going to use the both, as such both formulas we are not going to use. See, we have to find the area of the sheet required to make the box, in which we don't want the top portion. The top portion is open. So actually the surface area that is needed to prepare this box is LSA of cuboid plus the bottom, the top part we need not need, only the area of bottom we need. So area of bottom face we need to calculate. So the 4 faces, lateral faces plus area of the bottom face, we need not want area of the top face since the box is open. they have clearly given it is open at the top. So lateral surface area, I know the formula, it is nothing but 2L plus B into H. Now what is the area of the bottom face? We know that area of the front portion is LH, back portion is also LH, and the side portion is BH, this is BH, and front portion it is LH, length into height. Then what about the bottom face? The bottom face means this one, the one which is at here. So we have length and breadth, so it is LB. So we need to add LB. Don't get confused between the front part and the bottom part. Front face area is LH, whereas the bottom and the top area is LB. Now after writing the formula, let us write the data they have given, that is L is 1.5 meter, again B is 1.2 meter, and H is 0.65. Next step, we need to substitute this. So 2 into 1.5 plus 1.2 into 0.65 plus 1.5 into 1.2. So which is equal to 2 into, when you do this, we have 2.7, 1.5 plus 1.2 is 2.7 into 0.65 plus 1.5 into 1.2, we need to find 1.5 into 1.2. So 1.5 into 1.2 is 1.8. Again, when you multiply this, you will get 3.51 plus 1.8 is 5.31. Again, they have given the question. So this is the surface area of the box. Now we need to find, two questions are there. First is determine the area. Second one is we need to find the cost of the sheet. If a sheet measuring 1 meter cost rupees 20. So we need to find the cost of this. Cost of the sheet is, we need to multiply 5.31 into 20. So cost of the sheet required to make this box is 5.31 into 20. So which is equal to 6. So our answer is, we need to put 2 decimal place also, 106 rupees 20 paise is the cost of the sheet that is needed to prepare a box which is opened at the top. So thank you for watching my video.